Hi guys, and welcome to A Scary Tale. This is the third Scary Tale, which is so exciting. That means I've been vlogging for like 3 years now. Anyway, happy Halloween. I'm here in my mum and dad's garage because we are here for a Halloween party that my parents have hosted this party for years, and I just love it so much. We always have such a laugh here. We kind of mixed Halloween with bonfire night. So we're the weekend in between the two. Bonfire night is the 5th of November, and then obviously Halloween is the 31st of October. For those who don't know, Bonfire Night we celebrate in the UK. Just Google it if you want to know what Bonfire Night is. But we celebrate by doing our own little fireworks show, but it has been raining this whole day, so instead last year we had tables and chairs in the carport, where this year we're going to be in the dining room. We've still got the barbecue here, but we'll be taking it in and out of the dining room because it's a bit warmer then, and then hopefully in a few hours time it should be nice enough for us to have a little firework. But yeah, I'll show you around, I'll show you all the decorations and everything. I've got my black lipstick on that I wore for Mickey's Not So Scary, but I've done a really bad job of it, so don't look too closely. And I've got my Halloween mini ears from the Disney store, and yeah, that's about it for getting dressed up. That's all I can manage. Oh, we've just walked in, I'll show you this properly in a minute. We've got the lights on the ceiling. This is my projector, but I never seem to use it. Mine's better here. And here we go. The dining room is full of decorations. I don't even know where to start. Look at this. On the grandfather clock. Grandfather Frankenstein. Whoa. The spiders on this cake. Got little treats and snacks. The spiders everywhere. You won't pass health.
Yeah, we got some good spiders this year.
Ooh. Oh, we've got Mickey lights.
Oh, yes, I'm on now.
Cool, decorations everywhere. I love this guy. Got bats, spiders. And then out here, we've got the barbecue all set up. The lights are great. They're new, aren't they?
No, I had them last year.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. So your tablecloths, your tea towels.
Oh, yeah. We've got a load of beers. Oh, we've got a fire extinguisher, Dad. Is that a joke?
No, it's not a joke, it's very serious.
Very serious.
I set on fire one year.
You did. We've got cider, drinks. We've got fireworks and rockets. Very nice. Look at these schools. I'll film this again. I filmed it last year, but how long did this take you, Dad?
Oh gosh. About 3 nights.
You've had it for years now, haven't you?
But I've added, last year I added this one.
Yeah.
And I added the new gates.
Are you ready?
Right, love, what have we got here? Oh my God. They're fabulous. Hey, that one winked at me.
They're mummy sausages.
There's one missing, look.
Oh, we ate it. We tested it.
On the way.
So yeah, we're just waiting for the guests to arrive. My brother, my sister-in-law and my niece and nephew will be here. My dad's big sister, so my auntie, and my dad's little sister and her husband, my aunt and uncle. So they'll all be here as well. So it should be a nice little family catch-up. Here's one of Dad's many little creations. These all light up as well. It's so cool. This school is from Harry Potter World in Orlando. Oh, I think a car is here. Yes, there is. Guests. Guests have arrived. Dad's pouring himself a beer. What is it?
Oh, I've got a
Hobgoblin.
Yeah, a ruby beer.
We've got the barbecue. It's sizzling away. You can hear
Look
it.
at that.
Oh,
That look good.
burgers and sausages. Smells amazing. Look at these. Look at your outfit. You look great. Right, what are you meant to be?
skeleton.
That was spooky. I've got a cheese and bacon burger. I've got sausages. Yes, please, I'll have a piece.
Please, someone take that bad plate of spiders away.
I want to have one in the middle.
Oh, whoa! There's icing in the middle as well.
Yeah?
Jamie,
Put them in my suitcase.
he knows I'm filming him.
Was it the web, innit?
You having something? You on orange juice?
Yeah, well, I've got to have something too.
Oh, that was good, wasn't it?
That was nice though, nice cracky ones. Did you like it?
What we got? Chrysanthemum garden.
Oh, that's it. Green, red.
Colourful candle.
Oh, a what? Colourful candle.
My brother's in charge of lighting them. We don't trust my dad. He set the fire to the place last time. I think that. Oh!
They all look the same to me.
They do.
Oh, I've never seen that one before.
Oh! Woo!
Hey, that was good.
That was good.
Oh, it was good.
That was good. That.
Look at this one, son.
Oh!
Whoa.
Whoa!
Any angle this. Oh, God.
Chris said it could go any angle. Woo!
Oh!
Was that it? Was that?
I've tried to save the best for the last. Hey!
Oh
Making a circle. You want fireworks?
Oh, it's nearly finished. Oh, it's finished.
Oh, you're drawing with it.
Hey!
Steady, Peter.
This way, Peter.
This
way.
I don't know why is on at the moment because they're really good at baseball at the moment. I don't think the season's over.
So we're doing a scientific experiment where we have to name the age difference between these two women.
I'm not going to do it in the right.
It's like the importance of being earnest.
No discussion, we're not allowed to discuss.
But we don't actually know.
Oh,
Okay. So here we have 4. We'll have to discard this one because that was Lyra.
That's me.
0.
Zero.
Yeah.
Say no.
8. 0 again, 30 minutes. 0 again.
it's because we all thought it was a
And a
trick.
3. We always thought that this was our Auntie Sarah. But Auntie Sarah was actually 24 years older than Grandma. Right? So this is suggesting that this lady is our Aunt Kate. So we've been wrong all these years. It wasn't.
She said they're not 21 years old.
No way it's the 24 years between those two ladies. And most of you, Kate was actually 2 years difference.
Yeah.
And that corresponds with what you all think.
Yeah, I would think that that's right.
Everyone has gone home now, so I'm going to end this video here. I think I didn't end up filming too much, so this might be quite short. I apologise. We just had a really nice chill time with family. We had a good laugh, and I just looking up in the viewfinder to see all these. Probably not the best backdrop. It looks very ominous. Sorry about that. Maybe I should go. I was going to say I'll go over there, but there's a big scary skeleton over there, so I'll stay here. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys get up to for Halloween or for bonfire night if you do anything. I would love to know, so let me know below. The next videos on here will probably be Christmassy videos, which is exciting, so stay tuned for those. Like this video if you did, subscribe to see all my future videos, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Happy haunts materialize and begin to vocalize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize.